Hello everyone, this is Alex. Today we choose the LT6 PNP machine to doing the process. What you need to prepare is the feeders for the material reel tray installed, the mounting files and the circuit board with solder paste applied. Use stable and safety air source and electricity. Let me introduce the LT6 PNP machine if you would like. 6 pieces nozzle motors on the head. The front and rear feeder slot support totally 63 pieces. Panasonic servo motor and servo controller makes up the precise drive control system. LT6 has an automatic conveying system to transport PCB. Let's take a look at the user interface of software. With the help of flight camera, the speed and precision is better than ever. XY drive shaft contains screw rail and linear guide. Okay, now the components placement process is completed. Let's check the placement accuracy together. It looks good. Zoom on the camera to check the effect after welding. Thanks for watching. More videos, please view our website. Have a nice day. Bye.